the dawn of a new era in space has begun, one where companies are playing an increasing role in the games of research, exploration, and of course, defense systems. For example, BlackSky Technology was founded not too long ago in 2014. Since then, it's quickly become a major provider of real-time, high-frequency satellite imagery and AI geospatial intelligence. Its edge comes from two core assets: a vertically integrated high-revisit Earth observation constellation capable of up to 15 revisits per day, and its AI-based Spectra platform, which fuses imagery with radar, IoT, and other sensor data to deliver automated alerts and analytics within about 90 minutes of tasking. Meaning BlackSky's low-cost, rapid monitoring model addresses the global shift from static satellite imagery to dynamic, event-driven intelligence. Customers include U.S. agencies such as the NRO, NGA, NASA, and Space Force, numerous international defense ministries, and commercial sectors like energy and insurance. Barriers to entry like heavy regulation, satellite licensing, and vertically integrated manufacturing also favor BlackSky, quickly cementing its position as demand surges for real-time geospatial insight. Constant contract wins keep showing how private and public sector confidence have been established and retained. Within a few years, BlackSky already secured rapid procurement awards from the U.S. Space Force's Global Data Marketplace, a 1-year early extension of its 10-year NRO electro-optical commercial layer contract, and selection for the NGA's $200 million LUNO-B and multiple LUNO-A task orders. Internationally, BlackSky closed an over $100 million 7-year contract with a long-term defense customer, large 8-figure agreements in India, multi-year EMDN partnerships in Europe, and multiple Gen 3 early access deals, including support for Ukraine. BlackSky's next-generation Gen 3 satellites mark a leap forward with 35-centimeter imagery, high-bandwidth optical inter-satellite links, improved agility, and delivery of usable imagery within hours of launch, sometimes as fast as 12 hours. The company is rapidly deploying Gen 3 units and expects 8 in orbit by 2026. A new constellation, Eros, planned for 2027, will add wide-area, multispectral mapping for national-scale monitoring and 3D digital twins. Its satellites also support space domain awareness via a growing partnership with HEO, using otherwise idle time to image and classify objects in orbit. Financially, BlackSky reported $71.4 million in year-to-date revenue, with strong international growth now making up half of total sales. Cash rose to $147.6 million as backlog grows. While rising expenses and defense budget pressures pose risks, BlackSky's contract pipeline, expanding Gen 3 constellation, and global customer adoption continue driving strong long-term outlook. Branching out beyond low Earth orbit, Intuitive Machines is accelerating its role in space exploration with a focus on lunar infrastructure and deep space communication. It's expanding its commercial services beyond payload delivery, notably through its Lunar Data Network, which supports communication and navigation for NASA's Artemis missions and commercial lunar activities. Intuitive Machines has secured contracts with NASA's Near Space Network, NSN, providing direct-to-Earth, DTE services, and lunar data relay satellites, essential for missions beyond Earth's orbit, including lunar and deep space operations. Lunar logistics and mobility are also getting a boost through a $2.5 million NASA contract to develop heavy cargo lunar landers and surface mobility technologies, key for NASA's Moon to Mars architecture. To boost power output even in the darkest depths of space, Intuitive is collaborating with X-Energy on a fission surface power system, helping power long-duration lunar missions and addressing challenges like the lunar night. Allowing its reputation to shine bright among major aerospace stars like Lockheed Martin and Blue Origin. To really take its capabilities to the next level, Intuitive acquired Lanteris Space Systems for $800 million, positioning itself as a vertically integrated space services provider. The acquisition strengthens its capabilities in designing, manufacturing, and operating missions across Earth orbit, the Moon, and Mars, allowing the company to compete for major NASA contracts and grow its market presence. It's also advancing power and data technologies with its Stirling-based power system, which could revolutionize lunar energy generation, and plans to launch its fourth lunar mission, IM-4, in 2027. Additionally, Intuitive has secured funding from the Texas Space Commission and expanded its reach through the acquisition of deep space navigation firm KinetX, enhancing its navigation and data transmission services for interplanetary missions. With a projected revenue increase of 61.5% in the past year, and acquisitions fueling growth, Intuitive Machines is well positioned to become a major player in the expanding lunar and deep space economy. It expects to reach break-even by 2026, with profitability in 2027, driven by its growing contract base, partnerships, and technological advancements. Another major mover is Voyager Technologies, which spans defense, space solutions, and the Starlab space station, with key customers like NASA, Lockheed Martin, and the U.S. Air Force. Since 2019, Voyager has supported over 1,000 space missions, including missile defense and the Bishop airlock on the ISS. Voyager's flagship project, Starlab, aims to replace the ISS. Supported by partners like Airbus and Mitsubishi, Starlab benefits from a $217.5 million NASA grant and is scheduled to launch around 2029. It's expected to serve both government and commercial users for 30 years, as the commercial space market is projected to reach $820 billion by 2032, offering significant opportunities for Voyager. To fuel growth, Voyager has made a string of acquisitions, including electromagnetic systems, latent AI, and Exoterra, strengthening its AI-based defense systems, space communication tech, and propulsion capabilities. It's also collaborating with Vivace for Starlab's primary structure. As Voyager, Intuitive Machines, and BlackSky keep pouring millions into space infrastructure, the evolving space economy only stands to benefit. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.